San Jose, California Flea Market. The San Jose Flea Market is one of the largest open-air markets in the United States and a popular destination for both locals and visitors. Here's some information about it. Location. The San Jose Flea Market is located at 1590 Berryessa Road, San Jose, California. Operating hours. The flea market is typically open on Wednesdays, Fridays, Saturdays, and Sundays. Hours may vary, so it's a good idea to check the official website or contact the flea market directly for the most up-to-date information. What to expect. The San Jose Flea Market spans over 120 acres and features hundreds of vendors selling a wide variety of goods. You can find everything from clothing, jewelry, and accessories to electronics, home decor, antiques, collectibles, and much more. Food vendors offer a diverse selection of snacks and meals, including international cuisine and traditional fare food like hot dogs and funnel cakes. In addition to shopping, the flea market often features live entertainment, including music performances and cultural events. There are also amusement rides and games for children and families to enjoy. COVID-19 considerations. As of my last update, due to the ongoing COVID-19 pandemic, the flea market may have implemented safety measures and guidelines to protect visitors and vendors. These measures could include capacity limits, mask requirements, social distancing protocols, and enhanced cleaning procedures. It's recommended to check the official website or contact the flea market directly for any specific guidelines or restrictions in place during your visit. Overall, the San Jose Flea Market offers a fun and vibrant shopping experience with a diverse range of products and entertainment options. Whether you're hunting for unique treasures, enjoying delicious food, or simply soaking up the atmosphere, it's a must-visit destination in San Jose. Find more vlogs at https://com. Ready to transform your travel dreams with a sustainable digital income? Launch your digital business in a day with MRR courses. Scale effortlessly with nuBeginning Success. Tribe's comprehensive resources.